Alright y'all, so we're at the Courtyard Miami Coconut Grove. About to go in and do a quick room tour. First of all, look at it. You see that? Elite. Stop playing with me. Alright. So this room is the just 2 queen beds, and it has a view, like a double view of the city and stuff like that. So when you first come in, right, when you first come in this door and you make a left, they got a nice size mirror here for you. Pretty decent closet space, you know, ironing board in there, right? The iron hangers. It always comes with the hair dryer for those who need it. A little space. See what the bathroom is looking like. Okay, I really like the glass. I love when they do the sliding glass doors. The shower. This one doesn't have the overhead shower, but that's okay. We got 39 degrees north for their products: body wash, conditioner, shampoo. All right. Yeah, the bathroom isn't too big, but that's okay. Decent lighting though. You know what I'm saying, for you. This small sinks, I'm not gonna lie. This sink is small. Look at my hair. Yeah, that's kind of crazy, I ain't gonna lie. This is probably the smallest sink that I've been seeing in a hotel. And I didn't stay with Marriott a lot. You know, tissues, towels, all the basic stuff. Getting to the meat and potatoes. This is the 2 double beds. Over here, this is a nice space though. I feel like, hold on. Look at this. Look how deep these drawers. I don't think y'all look how deep these drawers are. It's pretty decent drawer space. So I don't know if y'all like to unpack, but if you do, you like to move in, when you come to the hotels, then yeah, nice little mirror right here. I really like the theme. We're by the water in Miami, and you can tell with these wood panels, like the light colored sandwood, the light colored brown and stuff that they use, the white with the blue on the lamp shade. Very nice. You got, water, coffee. Check this out. I love Marriott when they do this. Good afternoon, Tasha. Yeah, tell you the weather and all that. Nice little chair for you to do your work. Sit down and do some work right here. Yeah. This is one of those aesthetic lights. Yeah, it's very nice, very modern. Old school phone though. Can't lie about that. Old school phone. But then again, like y'all see the backsplash, that theme throughout, this color, the gray, the flooring. Yeah, the beds are really comfy. The beds are really comfy. But this balcony, I think in all the rooms they have, the balconies are a really decent size. So, come out here, nice chairs, tables. This is this view for this room. You get to still see the bay and the water over there. You get the view of the buildings and city view too. she was like, this is a mixture of both. So this is pretty cool. I said I'm cool with that. Plus this room's a little bit smaller. Or a little bit bigger than the other one. But yeah, this is deep. Look at this balcony space. Like, that's decent balcony space, y'all. So if you're coming to Miami and think about doing a Courtyard here in Marriott in the Coconut Grove area, it's a pretty nice room, very nice area. You know, they said like there's a lot of like mansions and stuff here. Like people got money here in Coconut Grove, so this is it's nice. You can tell by the docks over there, the boats. But that's full. You know they got money. They got boats. But yeah, so all right. So also, y'all, I want to share with y'all the this right quick. So look, I don't think y'all can see this. Hold on, give me a second. So basically, you get enhanced high-speed internet access, a 2-hour. Is this focusing? I can't tell if it is or not. 2-hour bike rental, right? 2 bottled waters, 2 drinks at the bar, okay? Access to the pool and fitness center, and then daily yoga classes. So yeah, they charge you $22 a day, but these are some of the things that they, you know, offer. Nice little card, show you picture the hotel. But just in case y'all were wondering like what else they have here at the hotel, these are some of the things that they offer. All right, so keep that in mind. And yeah, plenty of stuff to do. You know, wake up every day and go do some yoga, go ride your bikes around the city and have a good time, man, and really enjoy Miami, taking the sun and all that good stuff. It's hot. It's hot right now, but it's beautiful out here. It's a beautiful day. Yeah, man, if you come to Miami, Coconut Grove is a really nice neighborhood area to be in, you know, still close to a lot of things and stuff like that. So yeah, that's that on that. So it's a nice room. I like the theme that they did. The bed is super comfortable. Are the pillows soft? Oh, these are good pillows. Some hotels, I don't know, Marriott, sometimes, yeah, these are good. Are these feather or, I don't know, but the pillows are nice. These are nice. I stayed at the AC Marriott in Wynwood here in Miami on the other side, and the pillows weren't as soft. So yeah, but those are nice. Those are really nice. But yeah, y'all, I don't think I showed you what's in here. Oh, it comes with the nice little mini fridge. Comes with the mini fridge and storage in here. Okay, so yeah, storage in there, mini fridge. You can put your stuff over here, and they got another drawer here. But oh, this is another thing to point out. They got the USB, so you can have like your stuff charging on top of the regular charger. The iHome clock. What's that? So yeah, so this the room, y'all. Take one more. This the room. Pretty decent. Not gonna spend too much time in here, but it is very nice. Very nice. This balcony is what I'm about to be out here on. So yeah, if you're considering the Courtyard Marriott here in the Coconut Grove space in Miami, definitely give it a try. You won't be disappointed. Pretty nice, decent hotel. Nice view for all the rooms. Some of the rooms have a really, really good view of this over here. So yeah, and then you got the city view. So that's nice, man. So nice, quick, little short video, but if you're considering it, definitely give it a try. This is the double queen bedroom. So, got the truth, and I'll catch y'all in the next one.